Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you experiencing slow internet speeds or connectivity issues? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best network analyzer apps available for Android. These apps will help you troubleshoot your network, monitor connected devices, and optimize your internet performance. Let's get started and find the perfect tools to keep your network running smoothly. Network Analyzer app. The Network Analyzer app is a versatile tool designed to help users troubleshoot and optimize their networks. This app provides a comprehensive suite of diagnostic tools, including ping tests, traceroute, and port scanning capabilities. Users can analyze their Wi-Fi networks, check the speed of their internet connection, and view detailed information about network devices. The user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation, making it accessible for both beginners and tech-savvy users. With features like DNS lookup and network statistics, this app is invaluable for anyone looking to improve their network performance or diagnose connectivity issues. Fing Network Analyzer Tools. Fing is a powerful and popular network analyzer tool that offers a rich set of features for monitoring and managing networks. This app allows users to quickly scan their local networks to identify all connected devices, displaying details such as device names, IP addresses, and MAC addresses. Fing can help detect unauthorized devices connected to your Wi-Fi, enhancing network security. Additionally, the app provides network speed tests, ping tests, and DNS lookup functionalities. Fing's intuitive interface and robust features make it a go-to choice for users looking to maintain their network's health and security. Network Analyzer Utilities. Network Analyzer Utilities is a comprehensive app designed to provide users with a variety of network analysis tools all in one place. This app includes features for network discovery, ping testing, and DNS lookup, allowing users to troubleshoot network issues effectively. Users can view detailed information about their network and connected devices, including IP addresses and network types. The app also offers Wi-Fi signal strength analysis and provides users insights into their connection stability. With its all-in-one approach and easy-to-use interface, Network Analyzer Utilities is perfect for anyone wanting to keep their network running smoothly. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best network analyzer apps helps you take control of your internet connection and enhance your online experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which app do you think you'll use first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.